Hi, hello, good morning students. Previous session we will discuss about impedance. So how do we define impedance? So impedance is nothing but it is the effective opposition offered by the LCR circuit to the alternating current flows through it is known as the impedance. And it is also defined as a ratio of RMS value of voltage across LCR circuit to the RMS value of current in an AC circuit is known as the impedance. Here, so impedance is nothing but Z is equal to Vrms by Irms. So we have already studied in previous session. Impedance is nothing but it is an effective opposition offered by the LCR circuit to the alternating current flows through it is known as the impedance, and it is also defined as the impedance is nothing but it is a ratio of RMS value of voltage across LCR circuit. RMS means root mean square value of voltage across LCR circuit to the root mean square value of current in an AC circuit is known as the impedance. Clear? So expression for impedance means Z is equal to Vrms by Irms. So this is the expression for impedance in terms of voltage and current. Clear? So again impedance is expressed in terms of resistance and reactance is nothing but Z is equal to root of R square plus Xc minus XL the whole square. When Xc is greater than XL, expression for impedance means Z is equal to root of R square plus Xc minus XL the whole square. Suppose when XL is greater than Xc, so expression for impedance means Z is equal to root of R square plus XL minus Xc the whole square. Clear? So this is the expression for impedance in case of inductive reactance is greater than capacitive reactance. Clear? So SI unit of impedance is nothing but Ohm. Then admittance is nothing but it is the ratio of impedance is known as the admittance. Susceptance is nothing but it is the reciprocal of its reactance is known as the susceptance. Clear? So define admittance and it is a reciprocal of its impedance is known as admittance. Susceptance means reciprocal of its reactance is called as susceptance. Clear? Then SI unit of admittance and susceptance is per ohm or mho or sin is the unit of SI unit of susceptance and admittance with the unit. Clear? So SI unit of ohm impedance ಅನ್ನು ohms ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಸೆಪ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪರ್ ಓಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೋ ಆರ್ ಸೈಮನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ AC ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಈಗ ಪವರ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ AC ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Now we are going to discuss about power in an LCR AC circuit. So derive an expression for power dissipated or power consumed in an LCR circuit, LCR AC circuit anta kelbodu. So this is very important. So this is number 5 marks derivation. Derive an expression for power dissipated or power consumed in an LCR AC circuit. Clear? So power in an AC circuit is number it is power dissipated or power consumed in an AC circuit. So power consumed or power dissipated is nothing but is equal to the power delivered by generator to the AC circuit is known as power consumed or power dissipated. Clear? So in power in an AC circuit or power in an LCR circuit andre, so it is the power consumed or power dissipated in an AC circuit is known as power in an AC circuit anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So power dissipated or power consumed in an AC circuit is equal to the power delivered by generator to the AC circuit. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪವರ್ ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ AC ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಜನರೇಟರ್ ಇಂದ AC ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಪವರ್ ನ is equal to ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಪವರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆರ್ ಪವರ್ delivered to the AC circuit anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Clear? So here power is nothing but we already know sir power is nothing but it is a product of voltage and current. So power is nothing but P is equal to V into I, but in case of AC circuit, so here instantaneous power is equal to product of instantaneous voltage into current. Clear? So P is equal to V into I. Then V is nothing but instantaneous value of voltage. V is nothing but V naught sin omega t. This is nothing but instantaneous value of applied voltage given to the LC or AC circuit. So V is equal to V naught sin omega t. In the same way, instantaneous value of current across LCR circuit means I is equal to I naught sin omega t plus pi. So here, according to the Phasor diagram for LCR circuit, so current always leads the voltage by pi by 2. Pi by phase angle because pi anta togondri. Angle made between current and voltage becomes pi by 2. Clear? So this is the instantaneous value of current across LC or AC circuit. So I is equal to I naught sin omega t plus pi. Clear? Current leads the voltage by pi by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ plus pi ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Current lags behind the voltage by pi by 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. But in an AC circuit ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so current is always leads the voltage by pi by 2. So now here we are taking plus pi. So I is equal to I naught sin omega t plus pi. Now substituting these things in this equation. So here P is equal to V is nothing but V naught sin omega t into I is I naught sin omega t plus pi. So P is equal to V naught I naught into sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t. Clear? So here V naught I naught ana one kade togondini. P is equal to V naught I naught into. So here I am taking this is sin but first term and this one is sin but second term. So first term sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t. ನೋಡಿ ಈ two terms ಮಧ್ಯೆ into ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. This is sin but second term. Clear? So here P is equal to V naught I naught into sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t. Here, so now multiply and divide by 2 on RHS side. So RHS side means V naught I naught sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t. So this side but RHS side, P is sin but LHS side. So ಈ RHS side ಕಡೆಗೆ 2 ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಸೇಮ್ 2 ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ P is equal to V naught I naught divided by 2 into, so 2 sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t. Clear? So ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ V naught I naught by 2. ಸೊ again 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So P is equal to V naught I naught by 2 into 2 sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t. Clear? So now using trigonometric identity. Now using trigonometric identity, 2 sin c into sin d is nothing but cos c minus d plus cos c plus d. So ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಸೊ 2 sin d into sin c into sin d, 2 sin c into sin d is nothing but cos c minus d plus cos c plus d. Clear? So but now comparing this expression to this expression, so here ಈ expression ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So here P is equal to V naught I naught by 2 into, so here 2 sin omega t plus pi into sin omega t is in the form of 2 sin c into sin d. Clear? So ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so here c is nothing but omega t plus pi, d is nothing but omega t. Clear? So it's 2 sin c into sin d is nothing but cos c means here omega t plus pi minus is a minus, d is nothing but omega t. Clear? Again plus cos c is nothing but omega t plus pi plus d is nothing but omega t. So here P is equal to V naught I naught divided by 2 into, so here omega, positive omega t, negative omega t gets cancelled. So cos pi plus, so here omega t plus omega t becomes cos 2 omega t plus pi. So here v naught I naught divided by 2 into cos plus omega t ಇದೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಅರ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ again here is nothing but minus omega t. So plus omega t ನ minus omega t ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So cos ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ pi ಇದೆ. So cos pi plus, so in this term, so omega t plus omega t ಅನ್ನೋದು 2 terms ಇದೆ. So ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 2 omega t plus pi. Okay, so cos 2 omega t plus pi. Now so here average power consumed or dissipated over one complete cycle of AC. So average power consumed or dissipated in a AC circuit is known as power in a LCR AC circuit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದೆ LCR ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಪವರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಪವರ್ ಡಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಹೀಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಪವರ್ ಡಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಓವರ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ cycle of AC. So power average power is P bar or P average is equal to, so here P bar is equal to, so here V naught I naught by 2 into, so over one complete cycle of time period of one complete cycle of AC is nothing but 0 to T. So integral of 0 to capital T into cos pi plus cos 2 omega t plus pi by into dt by integral of 0 to t into dt. So this is our average power over one complete cycle of AC. Clear? So P bar is equal to P naught I naught by 2 into integral of limits are nothing but 0 to t cos pi plus cos 2 omega t plus pi into dt upon integral of 0 to t into dt. Clear? So again here V naught I naught by 2 into, so here integration of 0 to 2 into t into cos pi into dt. So ಈ dt ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಈ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ 0 to 2 into cos pi into dt plus again integral of 0 to t into cos 2 omega t plus pi into dt. Clear? But integral of 0 to t is nothing but small t. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ integral of 0 to t is nothing but small t. Limits are nothing but 0 to capital T. So now first substituting upper limit then minus lower limit. So integration of 0 to t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ small t ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Integration of dx is nothing but x. Integration of dy is nothing but y. In the same way integration of dt is nothing but small t. Clear? So limits are 0 to t. First substituting upper limit becomes capital T, minus is the rule, then substituting lower limit. First rule ಪ್ರಕಾರ first upper limit ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, again lower limit ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So upper limit ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ capital T minus lower limit ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 0 ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ integral of 0 to t into small t is nothing but ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ capital T. Clear? So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ integration of 0 to t into dt ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ T, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 0 to t ಸೈನ್ ಬೈ t, t ನ 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ v naught I naught divided by 2t. So here v naught I naught by 2t into, so integration of, so here cos pi is sine by constant term, cos pi into only integration of 0 to t into small dt becomes t. So limits are nothing but 0 to capital T. Clear? So cos pi ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, cos pi is nothing but ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 0 to t into ಈ dt ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, So integration of dt is nothing but small t. Clear? So limits are nothing but 0 to capital T. Minus plus. So again here plus is there, plus integration of cos 2 omega t plus pi into dt becomes sin 2 omega t plus pi by 2 omega. Limits are nothing but 0 to t. We know that because integration of cos theta into d theta is nothing but sin theta. Integration of sin theta becomes minus cos theta, but integration of cos theta into d theta becomes sin theta. Clear? So sin theta na integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but cos theta ನ integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin theta ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, cos 2 omega t plus pi into dt ಇದೆ. So with respect to dt ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, so ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ sin 2 omega t plus pi ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But here t ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 2 omega ಇದೆ. So ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ by ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ 2 omega ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. Clear? So sin integration of cos 2 omega t plus pi into dt becomes sin 2 omega t plus pi upon, so with respect to constant term ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 omega. Okay, so limits are 0 to t. Now v naught I naught by 2t into, so here cos pi into, first substituting upper limit becomes capital T minus is 0. Now substituting lower limit becomes 0. Okay, so ಈ small t ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ first upper limit ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So upper limit ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ capital T minus is 0. Again substituting lower limit means 0. Clear? So again plus, so 1 over 2 omega ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, 1 by 2 omega into, so here sin 2 into, so we know that omega is nothing but 2 pi divided by capital T. Omega is nothing but 2 pi divided by t. So 2 pi divided by t into, so now substituting upper limit for here means small t ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ upper limit ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ capital T plus pi minus is 0. Again sin 2 into 2 pi divided by t into, this small t ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ lower limit value ನ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, lower limit becomes 0 plus pi. Clear? So again here v naught I naught by 2t of cos pi into t becomes cos pi into t, cos pi into 0 becomes 0. Clear? So now plus 1 over 2 omega into, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 omega ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, omega is nothing but 2 pi divided by t ಅಂತ. So here again capital T gets cancelled. So ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ capital T ನ ಈ capital T ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So sin 2 into 2 pi becomes 4 pi plus pi, t ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ 2 into 2 pi ಇದೆ. So 2 into 2 becomes 4 pi plus ಏನಿದೆ pi. Clear? So again minus 0 into anything becomes 0. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ, 0 ನ 2 pi ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. again 2 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 0 ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ pi ಇದೆ. ಸೊ sin ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ sin pi, ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ sin pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು here v naught I naught by 2t of cos pi into capital T plus 1 over 2 omega into, so here sin 4 pi plus pi is nothing but sin pi minus, so here sin pi again minus sin pi. Clear? So because sin 4 pi plus theta is nothing but it won't be sin theta. Clear? So ASTC rule ಪ್ರಕಾರ ASTC rule ಪ್ರಕಾರ 0 pi ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 0 ಅದರ ASTC rule ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, so here up to 4 pi value. So sin 4 pi plus theta is sin by sin theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ sin theta ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನಿದೆ pi ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ sin pi minus sin pi. So v naught I naught by 2t of cos pi into capital T plus 1 over 2 omega into, so here plus sin pi minus sin pi becomes 0. Positive sin pi ಜೊತೆ negative sin pi ಅನ್ನ ಕಳೆದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ now v naught I naught by 2t of cos pi into capital T plus, so 1 by 2 omega into 0 becomes 0. Clear? So again v naught I naught divided by 2t of cos pi into capital T. So अगर ये टर्म बिटबिट्रे ಏನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ v naught I naught divided by 2t into cos pi of capital T. Clear? So again here capital T gets cancelled. So v naught I naught by 2 into cos pi. Clear? So average power अथवा p bar ಅಂತ ಓದು ಅಥವಾ p average is the average power over one complete cycle of AC circuit means p bar is equal to v naught I naught divided by 2 into cos pi. Clear? So this is the expression for power dissipated or power consumed in an AC circuit. Clear? So we know that VRMS means root mean square value of voltage is equal to v naught divided by root 2. So expression for root mean square value of voltage means VRMS is equal to v naught by root 2. In the same way, root mean square value of current means IRMS is equal to I naught by root 2. Clear? So we have already studied in previous sessions. Root mean square value of voltage means VRMS is equal to v naught by root 2. Then IRMS is same by I naught divided by root 2. Clear? So here P bar is equal to v naught by root 2 into I naught divided by root 2 into cos pi. ನೋಡಿ ಈ 2 ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. अगर root 2 into root 2 ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. So root 2 is sin by 2 power 1 by 2 into, so again 2 is sin by 2 power 1 by 2. So bases are same, add the powers becomes 1 by 2 plus in the 1 by 2. So LCM is sin by 2, again 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 gets cancelled, वापस again बरते 2 बरते. So now mathematics condition प्रकार 2 ना root 2 into root 2 आगो ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. Clear? So ಇದರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ 2 ನ root 2 into root 2 ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ v naught by root 2 into I naught by root 2 into cos pi. Clear? So but we know that v naught by root 2 is sin by VRMS, I naught by root 2 is sin by IRMS. So now substitute here p bar is equal to v naught by root 2 means VRMS into, so here I naught by root 2 means IRMS into cos pi. So this is my expression for power dissipated or power consumed in a AC circuit. Clear? So P bar ಅಥವಾ P is equal to ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನ P ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ B bar ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So P is equal to VRMS IRMS into cos pi. Clear? ಕೆಲವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ I ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ I ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So P is equal to VRMS into IRMS into cos pi. Clear? So ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ I ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ I ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಗೆ. Clear? So VRMS IRMS into cos pi. Clear? Now so expression for power in an LCR AC circuit means, so here P is equal to VRMS IRMS into cos pi. Clear? So but P is nothing but, so this P is nothing but true power. So P ನ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ true power ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But the term VRMS and IRMS are nothing but IRMS is the apparent power. apparent power. So apparent power is equal to Vrms into Irms. Clear? So if in average power over one complete cycle of AC then true power at the so it denoted as true power. So it is called as the true power. Then that factor Vrms and Irms is called as the apparent power at the so apparent power P apparent is equal to Vrms into Irms. Clear? So but cos pi is nothing but power factor. Cos pi is nothing but power factor. Vrms, Irms is nothing but apparent power. P is nothing but true power. Clear? So power factor is defined as power factor ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So power factor is defined as the ratio of true power to the apparent power. Power factor is nothing but is the ratio of true power to the apparent power is known as power factor. So power factor means cos pi is equal to true power means Pt by apparent power means Pa. True power na Pt symbol in the denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Apparent power becomes Pa. Clear? So cos pi is equal to Pt divided by Pa r. So it is nothing but R divided by Z. Power factor cos pi is equal to true power divided by apparent power, or it is the ratio of resistance to the impedance in an AC circuit is known as the power factor. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ one more question ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ define power factor ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So it is defined as the ratio of resistance to the impedance in an AC circuit is known as the power factor, or it is also defined as the true power to the apparent power is known as the power factor. Here then expression for power factor means cos pi is equal to Pt divided by Pa, or cos pi is nothing but R divided by Z, or in case of R by in series LCR circuit Z is nothing but root of R square plus Xc minus XL the whole square. Clear? So in case of Xc is greater than XL, impedance formula Z is nothing but root of R square plus Xc minus XL the whole square. So here substitute here R divided by root of R square plus Xc minus XL the whole square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. Suppose when Xc is less than XL, power factor is cos pi is equal to R by root of R square plus XL minus Xc the whole square. So ಈ ತರ power factor ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So next class we are going to discuss about some special cases based on power in an LCR AC circuit. Some special cases ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Clear? Thank you.